Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to configure OK Google on TECLAST T60. To set up OK Google, go to Google app, then click on your profile icon in top right corner, go to settings, Google Assistant, Hey Google and voice match, and now enable Hey Google. Then click on I agree again, and now you need to repeat these phrases that are shown on the screen. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And then you can click on next. And you can agree to that. And click on I agree or no thanks. And now, whenever you say Hey Google or OK Google, it will open the Google Assistant. So let's, for example, say Hey Google, what's the weather in Krakow?
It's 75 and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy with a high of 78 and a low of 60.
And you can see that I don't need to press on any buttons. It's triggered by my voice. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.